The most common way to make money on YouTube is through AdSense, YouTube's partner program. The only problem with this method of making money on YouTube is you need to grow a channel of subscriber base of up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That means you need to upload quite a good number of videos if you're just starting out. Now, what if you wanted to take a share of the billions that passes through YouTube without doing all the hard work of uploading videos and growing a YouTube channel? Is it even possible? You see, there are many different strategies on YouTube that you can use to make at least $200 a day without making videos. Now, before we get down into what I want to show you in this video, let me first throw in a disclaimer. This is the beginning of a series of videos that will show you demo videos on how the different strategies of making at least $200 a day on YouTube works and how to take advantage of those strategies to make money on YouTube without making videos. So actually, there is no guarantee that you will make $200 a day from the start. You will need to work on your chosen strategy for a while before you can start making $200 a day. Having said all that, in this video, I'll quickly walk you through the first strategy, which includes hijacking other people's video traffic. Keep watching. Hi there and welcome. If this is your first time to this channel, it's all about video tips, tools and strategies that will help you make money as a solopreneur using videos. So if you're interested in all that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Now, the first strategy is simply hijacking other people's video traffic to generate affiliate commissions in less than 24 hours. This is one of the most unique strategies that you can use to get highly targeted traffic to your affiliate product or any other landing page you like to promote. This strategy doesn't actually follow the traditional way of starting by looking for a product to promote. Here is how the strategy actually works. All you have to do for this to work is to start searching for videos that others have already uploaded and have completely forgotten about. Here are some criteria of the type of videos you should be looking for. You should be looking for a video that is still generating a lot of views. The video also needs to have a link to an expired domain name in the video description. Now, here is the thing. Since the video is still getting a lot of views, there is a high chance that people are still clicking on the link in the description box, but since the link is expired, it will lead viewers to nowhere. That's where you as a Tuber affiliate can easily come in, buy the expired domain and redirect it to your affiliate product and start making money from the video. The only problem with this strategy is finding videos that match those two criteria of high views and an expired domain in the description box. Now, in an effort to solve this problem, Joshua Samoria and his team decided to create a tool that will help make the whole process a breeze. Samoria and his team has for years been highly rated in the software marketing sphere and have launched many products to serve their customers. Recently, the same team launched a new product called Video Traffic Genie 2.0. a new version that helps users easily make money using other people's videos. This tool will help easily search and present you with a list of abandoned videos with expired domains in their description, so you can use it to redirect viewers to your affiliate products. That way, if a viewer makes a purchase, you make commissions. Check out this demo video on how the Video Traffic Genie works.
Now what you're seeing here is our latest Video Traffic Genie 2.0 software. It is an Adobe Air software which is Mac and PC compatible, so you can use it on any computer that you'd like. And this is exactly what you'll see when you start up the software. We have a settings section, a search section, a section for backlinks, keywords, and a support tab as well. And I'll quickly demonstrate what you'll be able to do with the Video Traffic Genie 2.0 search feature. Here you can enter your keyword. It can be a niche related keyword. It could be a product name keyword, any kind of keyword related to a video that you're interested in getting traffic from. So now I'm going to type in get lean program, and it's going to go out and search get lean program as a keyword because it is a product name keyword for a weight loss program inside of ClickBank. I'm going to click stop search. and we can see all the videos that come up. I'm just going to show you this one right here. We can look for the view count, the likes, dislikes, comments, favorites. As you can see, there's 11,000 views for this video, and it was created in 2014. This is the link that's coming up that has been reported as a broken link inside of Video Traffic Genie 2.0. So we can go in and analyze the video more. I'm going to just open it up in YouTube here. So now the video has been loaded, and I have a TubeBuddy extension, just a free extension installed here, so we can analyze the video more. We can come down here and click on Show Search Rankings to see that it's ranked inside of YouTube for Get Lean Program. The product name keyword looks like it's in the 5th position. Also has additional product name keyword rankings as well. And we can see that the domain is placed right here. And we can also check out the Channelytics for additional information about the video channel. So I just click on views, and we can see the channel gets about 1,000 views per month. We can hop back to Video Traffic Genie. There's the Go To Channel button as well, so we can click on that and check out the channel. But first, let's just confirm that we can get the domain. So all we have to do is click on the Check Domain button. There's a couple different ways of checking the domain. One is to check it inside the software, and the best way of doing that is using one-on-one domain registrar. Will auto-populate, or what I have selected is Namecheap, and that's going to open up in the new browser and then also copy this to clipboard. So all I have to do is just paste it in from my keyboard or my mouse, just paste in that domain there just to confirm that it's available. So just click on the search button there, and you can see it is available right now. So if we wanted to buy this for 13 bucks, then we can go in and snag that up, and we'd have that for an entire year. And the Get Lean program sells for about $150 inside of ClickBank. And if you can't make $13 in an entire year, then you can just let the domain drop. Otherwise, it can be a very good return on your small investment. Also, we can check out how it's ranked in Google real quick just by copying a keyword like Get Lean Program, the main product name keyword, and seeing how it comes up in Google. There's nothing up here, but when we scroll down, we can see this is the video with the same channel that Video Traffic Genie pulled up. So it's already ranked in the first page near the bottom, but already ranked on the first page for Get Lean Program, the main product name. And if you were to pick this up, you could start sending our backlinks to it to try and get it ranked higher for even more targeted traffic. But before ordering, I like to dig a little bit deeper. I like to click on the Whale Finder button, which is a feature available for the Video Traffic Genie Gold version, and that will show you everything that's associated to this link. So most of the time, there's additional videos, additional video properties even, that have this link inside of them. The Whale Finder button will show all of that. We can also check out the channel and see what other kinds of videos are inside the channel. As you can see here, there's a lot of product name keyword videos. So Wing Girl review, Quit Marijuana review, Plan My Baby review, Badass tattoos, also niche related videos, activities for toddlers, Keep Your Man Happy, Put an End to Sugar Cravings, easy songs to play on the piano. So there is a lot of videos inside of this channel with product name keywords, where even if the product name keywords, some of these are kind of low views, but with some additional backlinks like we can do inside of the Video Traffic Genie 2.0 program, then you can push those up a little bit higher and get more targeted traffic to them. So we can dig further inside of these videos and see sometimes these videos are also associated to the same domain you can buy. And what I mean by that is that sometimes there's other links, like in this case, this is a product name link. But look at this one right here. We can see that there's one called clickhere9.com, and that one is inside this clickable annotation. So this video was done back in the time when annotations were around, and they're still inside here. So this one has a clickable annotation. If we go back to the Get Lean program, we will see that this video right here has a clickable annotation. It's for the exact same link. And by analyzing this channel a little more, we can see that there are additional videos that have broken links for the video in the description, but then there's also this same broken link inside of the actual video. That is the same link for all the other videos in the channel. And that's this click here 9. So we can click on that and then see that it's broken as well. And we can see here that the video that Video Traffic Genie has found also includes a broken link in the annotations that is available to buy. So that is really powerful, especially when you combine all that with not only just this Get Lean program review, but also all the other videos inside of the channel, like these. And all you have to do is register that domain and do some redirects like we teach in the members area, and you'll get all of that traffic. Another feature that is very helpful inside of Video Traffic Genie 2.0 is our keywords tab, where you can type in a keyword and get multiple suggestions of additional keywords that people are actively searching. So I'm just going to type in how to play guitar and click search. And as you can see, there's now additional keywords that we can search inside Video Traffic Genie. We could also click the copy button to copy it to your clipboard, or click on the search it button to begin that search. So here I'm just gonna click on search it for how to play guitar for kids. And now VTG is going out and it's already found a video. And we can analyze this more by clicking open in YouTube, go to channel, or I also like to do the whale finder where we can find everything available related to this domain. And this is one of the features that will be unlocked with the upgraded Video Traffic Genie Gold version. And quickly, I'm just going to show you what's inside the channel when I click go to channel. Now here in this channel, you can see that this looks like an authority channel with lots of videos, and we can sort by the most popular to see some of the videos that have high view counts. Like this one is 50,000. It's another Blink-182 song. This is the one that we just pulled up in BTG, and that has 37,000 views. I'm just going to pull up a couple of these videos to see if we have the same link that is inside of Video Traffic Genie. And as you can see, this is the masterlearningguitar.com link. And in this other video, we have masterlearningguitar.com as well. And if we were to further analyze this channel, we would see that there's the same link placed on all these videos that we have found inside of Video Traffic Genie. If we want to get more information about this specific video, we can just click on open in YouTube. And by pulling up this video, we can see that we have the URL right here at the beginning of the description. And it looks like a basic tutorial video teaching somebody how to play this song. There's also some tags. Looks like they're ranked for play guitar like Blink-182. So with these keywords, people are interested in learning how to play guitar. And then we can just click on the check domain button. It's going to open up in a new browser because that's the way I have it in the settings section. And it'll pop up with the domain copied to the clipboard. So then we can just bring it up over here, paste it in, and click search. And we can see that this domain is also available to purchase. So by purchasing this domain right now, we could start getting targeted traffic immediately all around how to play guitar from all of the videos found in the channel. So as you can imagine, when you just keep on typing different keywords and finding results, the possibilities are endless. And since YouTube is such a popular site and ranked the second biggest site on the web, there's always going to be content and there is always going to be abandoned domains that you can find with Video Traffic Genie 2.0.
As you have seen for yourself, the steps are really easy. Simply insert a targeted niche or keyword that you want to hijack traffic from. Then let the Video Traffic Genie tool to find all the videos available to hijack and deliver them to you on a silver platter. So all you will need to do next is to register a domain name and redirect the traffic to anywhere you want. Now, here are some couple of ideas you can use the domain names to easily make $200 a day on YouTube. You can either redirect viewers using the domain name you registered to a clickbank offer. Another way is, instead of redirecting viewers to your clickbank offer, you can design a landing page with an opt-in form using the domain and start capturing cold traffic from the video. You can also choose to redirect the viewers to your website or YouTube channel and monetize it. Now, the tool also comes with 7 video models that will help you quickly get up and running right after you finish watching them. These videos are all designed to show you exactly how the software works, how the video traffic genie method works, and some amazing over-the-shoulder case studies. Above all that, it has also a 30-day guarantee. So if you're interested in checking out the video traffic genie, I will drop the link to that in the description box below this video. Now, in the next part in this video series, I will share with you another easy way you can make up to $200 a day on YouTube without making videos. And with all that, I'll call this a wrap. But just before you go, I would like to know from you if you have ever tried this strategy or you're thinking of doing so. Let me know in the comments area below this video. While you're down there, make sure to hit the like button, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to be updated with the latest tips and strategies. Yeah.